In this video I'm doing a review of the Lowepro Protatic 450 AW2 camera backpack. Make sure to subscribe to the video below, as I do many videos on my landscape photography and the different equipment and tools that I use for it. For instance, I'm doing one on the backpack. Well, I've been looking for a backpack for some time. I got the previous model of this Lowepro called the Lowepro 250, I believe it was. It was a good backpack. It met some of the requirements, but not all of them. It wasn't as durable as this one. It didn't have as many compartments for the actual camera itself, where this one does. The strap for the tripod on the other one was a bit sort of flimsy and floppy, where this one, as you can see, is very secure. So this is the backpack, all in a nice, neat, compact case. One of the main things that I like about it is you can use these straps here and basically put on different components. For instance, if you look at my my tripod, you can see how secure that is. And these are using these strip-on straps that basically come in from these loops. So it's a very ingenious system. So that's what the front of the bag looks like. As I was saying, you can put in all these different, you've got all these different loops that you can put stuff into or put the accessories into. Okay, here's the front, or the top. It does have a hard shell. This is where I keep my camera. Nice and safe in there. I keep my additional SD cards in there, and then you've got another little pocket in here. I keep my shutter release. Got a little side bag or side pocket in there. I keep some cables. And the good thing with this, the older model, it didn't, these pockets weren't as expandable as these ones. So the newer one, this version 2, comes with these more of expandable pockets on the sides. And there's another one over here. And what this has is there's a little I thought it was on that side, but maybe it's on this side. Yeah, there it is. So you can put your keys onto that, lock your keys in so they don't fall off. Now, I've got my tripod strapped on, really secure. It doesn't move around at all. With the old backpack, it sort of wobbled all over the place. So I pop these off, and it just slips out. And as you can see in the bottom here, there's this little cup for the bottom of the tripod. And again, that's strapped on by these Velcros, and I could literally stick that in the front here if I wanted to. I keep it on the side. And these straps as well, they just come out, and you can put them in any one of these loops. It's very good to use. Okay, you also have side access pockets. Now, I don't, as you can see, I don't use these just because of the layout of my bag. I just access everything from the top or the back. Now if I open it up from the back, this is how I've laid it all out. So I've got my camera at the top. I've got all my filters that fit into the side bit here. I keep my my mic, which I'm using actually right now, would go into here. Handheld tripod. I've got my GoPro case, and I've got a charger for my camera. I got some other GoPro features or attachments that goes in there. What's nice about this is this All of these Velcro bits can be moved in to put to wherever you want, whatever layout you want your bag to look. Literally, when you could take everything out and this could just be one big empty shell. And they're just little nice, there's different sizes. For instance, this one here, there's a little bit that you can put, let's say, a camera cover or lens at the side. But again, all of these just come out via Velcro. I've got my cart, an AFI drone. There's the controller. I've got some, even underneath there, I've got some more GoPro accessories that fit underneath that. But you see, I was able to layer it by putting another one of these dividers, so I could utilize the space underneath there and still be able to put my GoPro in perfectly, or sorry, my part in AFI in perfectly. And then I've got some more AFI blades, propeller blades, and then I've got my 70 to 200 Tamron lens that fits nice and snug at the bottom and is fully protected. Now at the top you've got all these sort of pockets that you can put different things in. For instance, I've got filters for my my part in AFI, and then I've got some cables, some tools to adjust my my tripod, and I can fit my laptop in it. All of that in a safe and secure bag. You can't ask for anything better. Also at the bottom, there's a rain protector that slips over the top of the bag itself. And it gives you a complete waterproof backpack to protect you from the rain. And another little handy feature is when you're lifting this backpack up, there's a handle at the top and there's a handle there, and you can lift it like that. Now you've got this waist sort of strap, so we'll go around there, but if you don't want it, it's just held on by Velcro. And you pull that, and then it literally just slips out like that. Now in this as well, you've got a couple little side pockets. I don't use these yet, but they are handy. So that's it. That's the layout of my bag. Now this was my previous bag here. It was a Lowepro 250. As you can see the difference. Now there is a difference in the price. I think from memory there's over £100, if not more, difference between the two bags. But they're roughly about the same size. But this one, the camera compartment is only at the bottom down here. Now you do have a bit of space up here that you can put lunch or other clothes or things like that. So the reason why I went for the 450 was, one, it's pretty much fully designed just for cameras themselves. The protection, the sturdiness, the really tough. Well, this one's a little bit more flimsy. The tripod, you can fit a tripod on this one, but as you can see, it's sort of flopped all over the place. Well, when I put the tripod on this one, it's very, very firm and sturdy. So I got rid of that one, or I retired that one, and I got this new one, a Lowepro 450, and I think I'll keep this one for a while. Okay, that's it on there. That's a waist buckle, and then you got this top buckle here. So it fits very snug, as you can see. And it holds all my equipment, everything I need. It fits in this bag. Here I'm demonstrating the Lowepro backpack out in the field, so that you can see it better in the sunlight. As you can see here, you can put different accessories onto it. So this is a little bag that goes on the side. I want to put some gloves and some other things into it. But what you do is you just take these loops and you just put it through the loops. And straps on there. And there you go. And you can put that on any section where these loops are. So it's actually pretty nifty. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Lowepro backpack. As you can tell, it's perfect for me. It fits all my needs and requirements, and it's because of the build quality, it's probably going to last me for years and years to come. If you liked the video, please subscribe. If you want to leave any comments, please feel free to leave them below. And all the equipment that you've seen in this video, I've left links in the video description below. Okay, until next time, I will see you later.